Hello from Euroguss, Germany, where Iskra ISD is presenting capabilities in high-pressure die casting and machining. At 2024 edition, we are showcasing machined oil pump cover. Back there, you can see end of machining line, designed and manufactured through our sister company Iskra PRO. After 2 milling center is washing machine. Aluminium parts are manipulated through ABB robot in this quality assurance tests, porosity checked, leakage testing. Aluminium parts are then packed into the blisters and finally with WITTMANN robot moved into cattle box. You're welcome to send us RFQs for water or oil pumps, especially aluminium covers and housings. Follow us on the LinkedIn. And next post from Euroguss will be about multi-material hybrid solutions.